Ever wondered why the computer, a device so crucial to our everyday lives, often feels like an enigma wrapped in a conundrum? Well, fret no more. Today we dive deep into the world of computer basics, demystifying the machine to help you understand it better. Imagine a computer as a city. In this city, the central processing unit, or CPU, acts as the city's mayor, making all the important decisions. The CPU is the brain of the computer, controlling all the functions it performs and the devices it interacts with. However, even a mayor needs advisors. In our computer city, these advisors are the different types of memory. The random access memory, or RAM, serves as a workspace for the CPU, storing information temporarily while the CPU works on tasks. The more RAM a computer has, the more tasks it can perform simultaneously. Then we have the hard drive, or the solid-state drive, which serves as the city's library, storing all the information and data for long-term use. It's like a bookshelf, storing everything from your operating system to your favorite childhood photos. And what's a city without its citizens? In our computer city, these are the various software programs. They range from the operating system, which is like the city's constitution, establishing the rules and how things operate, to applications like word processors and games, which are like the city's businesses and recreational facilities. The computer's power supply is its life force. It converts the electricity from your wall socket into a form that your computer's components can use. Without a power supply, our computer city would be a ghost town. Finally, we have the peripherals. These are devices like your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. They are the bridges that allow you to interact with the computer city, sending and receiving information. To summarize, the computer is a complex city with the CPU as its mayor. The advisors are the different types of memory, with RAM acting as a workspace and the hard drive or solid-state drive serving as a long-term storage library. The city's citizens are the various software programs, and the city's life force is the power supply. Lastly, the peripherals are the bridges that connect you to this fascinating city. So there you have it, a simple yet effective metaphor to help you understand the basics of a computer. Remember, understanding is the first step to mastery. Now that you have the basics down, you're well on your way to becoming a computer whiz. Happy computing!